What's up, people? I'm going to show you my air horn, how it works, what it does, and what it sounds like. I've got my grill off, 06 Chevy, 1-ton dually, 8-inch lift. Here's my air horns, 6.5-inch bell. They're the full-size ones. There's my air manifold that I built. There's my electronic solenoid. Here's my Air Zenith OB2 air compressor mounted underneath the hood with 3/8 piece of aluminum diamond plate attached to the top of my air compressor. Very solid mounting. Underneath the hood shuts, everything's good. Let's go ahead and go for a test here. This is the regular horn. Here's the air horn. So as you can see, quite a bit of difference. There's the air compressor compressing up. Very quiet, sounds good. Alright, have a good night until I roll past your house.